Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make Snapchat public profile. So, I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. If you have any problems or any queries within the process, you can let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Snapchat app and then log in to your account. Once you are in the Snapchat, what you need to do is just go to your profile menu, that's the profile icon, and scroll a bit, and over here you can see this my public profile. Press over here and then go to OK. Once you are in the public profile, over here you'll be having about your public profile. So now over here you can add your news stories, you can check, or let's say you can save a spotlight from Snapchat spotlight, or you can have your insights as well. So that's how you're gonna make a public profile. You can even edit it like this. You can go to this button and now you can have a bio, you can have a location, you can have show how many follows you. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.